if there is one thing that we have as a nation, not so much about gold, not so much about oil and all the other good things we have, and we have good coffee, and we have the best tea, and we are now almost building our capacity in macadamia and avocado. But aside from all that, our human capital is the jewel of our nation. And that is why I decided from the beginning that if the biggest asset we have as a nation is our human capital, then we must sharpen that human capital through education and training. In just 16 months, actually to be exact, not even 2 years, in 16 months, we have placed 393, as of when, Rosalie? As the end of April, 393,000 Kenyans on jobs abroad. And now we know them. We know where they are. We know what job they are doing. We know how much salary they are earning. And we can account for each and every one of them.